Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight in the US, the S&P moved 0.56% higher, supported by gains in key tech stocks. The Nasdaq gained 0.78% and the Dow added 0.26%. Asian markets tracked gains on Wall Street. The Nikkei jumped 0.9% and the broader topics rose 0.7%. Australia's ASX 200 was up 1.1% in early trade. In India, Nifty closed at 25,819 yesterday, gaining 94 points, whereas Bank Nifty settled at 61,551, up 377 points. Nifty took support near the 40-day EMA and bounced back, closing above the upper band of the falling wedge near 25,765. A positive follow-through is now essential to build further upside momentum. A sustained move above 25,820 could open the path towards the psychological 26,000 mark. This level also coincides with the highest call writing base for monthly expiry, and a breakout may trigger short covering. On the downside, the previous session's low of 25,645 will act as immediate support, below which profit booking could drag the index towards 25,500. The 25,500 zone also has strong put writing support. With daily RSI trending higher above its reference line, a sustained follow-up price action could pave the way for a retest of all-time highs. Foreign investors bought 1,154 crore rupees yesterday, lifting month-to-date net inflows to 16,142 crore rupees. A late-session surge in metals and financials reclaimed the 25,800 mark, signaling a transition from sell-on-rise to a buy-on-dip psychology. Nifty open interest rose 0.4%, while Bank Nifty open interest jumped 8.6%, confirming a robust long build-up. The sentiment shift reflects a high-conviction risk-on environment for FIIs. They hit a 3-month high index long-short ratio of 0.30 by adopting a trend-following long bias and abandoning defensive puts. Conversely, a deeply pessimistic retail segment has over-leveraged into puts, a move acting as a contrarian indicator of a market bottom. Consequently, India's VIX plunged 3.6% to 12.22, cooling volatility as Nifty PCR rose to 1.22 and Bank Nifty PCR to 1.5. Despite USD to INR friction at 90.67, the outlook remains constructive with resistance at 26,100 and support at 25,500. Sectorally, Nifty Metal gained 1.3%, while Nifty IT slipped 1.2%. In F&O, HDFC Life rose 3.4%, while Vari Energies declined 2.9%. On commodities, spot gold climbed 2% to $4,975 on Wednesday, extending gains as investors assessed the latest FOMC minutes and adjusted expectations for US monetary policy. The minutes highlighted a divided outlook, with some policymakers open to rate cuts if disinflation continues, while others preferred to maintain or tighten policy should inflation remain persistent. Spot copper gained 2.85% to around $5.80. The metal recovered from a more than 1-week low as prices stabilized after the recent sell-off that was driven by a stronger US dollar. However, rising inventories at exchange-monitored warehouses, now at an 11-month high, capped further upside amid oversupply concerns. WTI crude jumped over 4%, bouncing back after the prior session's sell-off. Optimism around US-Iran nuclear negotiations reduced fears of supply disruptions and softened risk premiums, though a potential deal could eventually add Iranian crude to global markets. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.